Hello, John here with dadislearning.com. I'm up in the office today with one of my favorite things. This is not something I have at my house. It's not something that I personally own, but this is a piece of equipment I use at work that is excellent. It is the Bravo 4102 disc publisher. This thing is an automatic disc publisher. It runs CDs and DVDs. You can also get it with a Blu-ray burner. I don't have that. We don't have a need for it at our church. But it is an automated system where it burns and prints finalized discs. So here's some audio discs I made for our church of a recent lesson. It makes a great looking image right onto the surface of the disc. But you can see it has a bin here and a bin here that's empty right now, but it can hold up to 100 discs at a time. And DVDs, CDs, whatever you want it to be. They just need to be printable on the surface. I like Rydata CDs, but just about anything will work in here. You just put your disc in here. The arm will come and grab the disc. It'll put it in one of the two burner trays. It'll burn it, and then it'll go into the print tray. The print heads here will come over, print directly on the surface. The arm will come back again. It'll put it in the front bin or here, depending on how you have it configured to go. Sometimes I run up to 100 discs at a time, and so I have it configured to come out to the front chute. But better than explaining it, let's take a look at it in action. Alright, let's take a look at the 4102 in action. I'm going to press go on the computer. And here we go. Here comes the burning tray. The robot arm comes over, grabs a new disc, puts it in the burning tray, puts it back in, and we are off to the races. It's going to start burning this CD automatically. One question that's going to come up when we're talking about the Bravo series of duplicators is why pay twice as much for a duplicator like this as you would for perhaps a tower and some other sort of label printing system? Well, basically my answer to that is quality and reliability. We've had Bravo machines, they put out a solid product and I don't have to touch it. It works, I don't have to mess with it. All I have to do is take this disc out, the finished product, and put it in an envelope, and it's done. If you want to, stand by a tower and burn 4 or 8 DVDs at a time, and then put them into a printing machine and have it print those out, more power to you. But this is a turnkey solution that gets the work done with me just having to touch it really one time to get it started. And that's why I think the Bravo series of duplicators is well worth the money. Alright, it's been about 2 minutes and the CD is finalizing. It takes about 2 minutes to burn a CD that's about 90% capacity, about 90% filled. Here comes the finished CD. The arm's going to come over and grab it. The print tray has just come out. It's going to put it in the print tray. Then it's going to go grab another blank CD to begin the next disc. Put it in the burning tray. Burning tray goes back. The print head detaches. And then it's going to prepare itself for the printing process directly onto the surface of the disc. Alright, so it took about 20 seconds or so to print the surface of that disc. The arm's going to come back over, it's going to grab the disc, and we have a finished product ready to go. Let's go take a look at that real quick. There it is, right there. Pretty good looking. A little basic from the graphic design standpoint, but a nice looking finished product that's at a reasonable cost. Alright, so you've seen the Bravo 4102 in action. You can see that it is an amazing machine. I really like these Bravo duplicators. That's why they're one of my favorite things. This is actually the second one that we've owned at the church. The first one lasted for 8 or 9 years, had well over 100,000 copies on it. and it just was an amazing piece of equipment. This one's faster and more efficient, can do 2 discs at a time, so it's a great upgrade for us. These Bravo duplicators come in basically 3 ranges. This is the mid-range product that they make. They make it with 1 or 2 drives. They also make a entry-level desktop duplicator, and they also make the Professional Series XRP. All those models and their prices and their different options are available on the website Primera.com. You can check all that out. These machines are great because you can basically set it and forget it. I can line up a job or even a series of different jobs. I can push the button as I'm heading out the office door at night, and it will run overnight, and when I come in there'll be a stack of discs waiting for me ready to distribute. And it's just very efficient. It's great for churches that needed to distribute CDs or DVDs to their members. It's also great for maybe video production companies that need to do short-run duplication. And it's also great for really any variety of different applications. It's an efficient machine. It's one of my favorite things. This is the Bravo 4102. My name's John McKenzie, and this is dadislearning.com. Thanks for watching.